Here we are at the elevators at the medical research building. These are generic, but they have Innovation Bruiser. These are nice, no fan. These are really nice.
These are from 06.
Yep, 2006. Yep. Let's go up to 4. And these are, here we go. These are traction.
No floor passing tram.
It's always nice. Here we are on floor.
Pretty dark.
A little bit. It was really slow. Let's go down to 1. Actually, let's ring the bell.
I think if you press 1, it will ring the bell.
Down to 1. The door goes when you push the button.
Yeah.
Do you want to do it right on the other car?
Oh, I can actually take you to the elevator in the back.
All right.
It's a lot bigger. I'll show you that one next.
Pre-door. Yep. Cool. There's a lot of classic leveling. All right. Here it goes. The other car is identical, so we're not going to ride that one right now. Anyways, that's it.